Hey everyone, so I'm back. I finally got it all scrubbed up and most of the rust taken off, so I put up my first coat of primer, which is black, and then I'm gonna finish it in a black flat paint. And then down here I'm gonna paint sunflowers on this, and on this I'm gonna paint sunflowers on that, and then on the piece that's open it shuts, I'm gonna put a garland of sunflowers on that, and then I still have to put it together and run my light. So I'll bring you back once I get all this finished. Probably as I'm painting some sunflowers, I'll bring you back. Alright, well, you guys have a great day. Oh, and my birds are enjoying the outside. All four of them. There's Georgie, Sassy, Angel, and Willie. You guys gonna talk? Say hello. Say hello. No? Alright. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day.